I'm Paul Staelin. I'm Birst's Vice President of Customer Success. Birst is the leading provider of software as a service business intelligence solutions. We've got a pretty strong presence with mid-market companies trying to make more sense of their data, ISVs trying to add more value to their applications for their end customers, and actually we've got a pretty vibrant SI partner channel as well. Birst is one of the sponsors today. We wanted to come to get a little more conversation from other folks who are kind of seeing what we're seeing and see kind of what's happening and changing in the industry. Certainly the SaaS and the cloud business models that are more of a subscription base as opposed to a license upfront payment has a lot of implications for how the business is run, particularly when it's delivered as a service, which can be done a little more remotely. So there are a lot of things that we're learning about our business and our customers, and we wanted to be able to kind of have conversations with other folks who are seeing similar things and see if there are any best practices we might be able to kind of garner or spread. See, the Birst solution is delivered over the cloud. You actually can install it on-premise, but the majority of our customers purchase over the cloud. So it's an enabler for us to reach a much bigger segment of the mid-market and smaller software companies who wouldn't normally or historically be able to kind of afford and use a BI solution. So it is enabling us to penetrate kind of an untapped market segment. I know there are a lot of folks here who are kind of seeing the same thing, where there are big boys in almost every on-premise version of every market. There are a lot of folks in the cloud who are trying to help take those same powerful capabilities and make them more accessible. So certainly that's kind of a broad enablement theme. There are some implications in terms of when you change the payment structure, how do you engage with SI partners? How do you work with your customers directly? How do you help ensure success? Certainly in the cloud, our customers can fire us every year. So if they aren't continuing to be successful, continuing to develop and get value out of the solution, they're gone. So we, like other cloud vendors, really do invest heavily in trying to make sure that they're on their path to success. And it's good to hear other folks who are kind of running into some of the same tactical challenges and how you do that and how do you work with a partner in this type of case and get some conversation around what other people are seeing and doing.